Buying a used SUV for under $20,000 sounds simple. Find a good-looking SUV, make sure it fits your budget, and drive it home. But there's a problem. Two SUVs can cost roughly the same, look equally good, and have similar mileage. Yet one can give you years of reliable service while the other can hit you with thousands of dollars in repair bills. That's why reliability matters more than simply finding the lowest price. In this video, we're looking at 4 used SUVs that stand out for their reliability, ownership costs, and long-term value, all with a realistic target price under $20,000. We'll break down the best model years to consider, what makes each SUV reliable, what problems you need to watch for, and what you should check before buying one. And we'll save the best for last, because one of these SUVs offers the kind of combination that can make it a much smarter buy than the others. Let's get started. Number 4. Toyota Venza, 2013 to 2015. If you're looking for a reliable used SUV under $20,000, but you don't want the usual RAV4 or CRV, the Toyota Venza is a model worth putting on your radar. The Venza is often overlooked in the used market, but that's exactly what makes it interesting. For the 2013 to 2015 model years, you could get the Venza with either a 2.7-liter 4-cylinder or a much stronger 3.5-liter V6, both paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission. And if you're looking for something with more power, the V6 is the version that really stands out. The 3.5-liter V6 produces 268 horsepower and 246 pound-feet of torque, giving the Venza noticeably stronger acceleration than the 4-cylinder model. You could also get all-wheel drive, making it a practical option for buyers who want extra traction without moving into a larger truck-based SUV. But the Venza's biggest advantage isn't just the engine. It offers a spacious cabin, a comfortable ride, and plenty of cargo room, while still feeling more like a car than a traditional SUV. That's what makes it different from some of the other SUVs on this list. You're getting Toyota's reputation for long-term durability, but in a less common package that can offer more comfort and power than you might expect at this price point. However, there is one important thing to remember. These Venzas are now more than a decade old, so reliability doesn't mean you can skip the inspection. Before buying a 2013, 2014, or 2015 Venza, check the maintenance history, inspect the suspension and drivetrain, test the air conditioning and electronics, and make sure the transmission shifts smoothly. And if you're considering the V6, pay especially close attention to the condition of the specific vehicle you're buying, because at this age, condition and maintenance history can matter just as much as the badge on the hood. So who is the Venza best for? It's a great option for someone who wants a comfortable, spacious, and relatively uncommon Toyota SUV, especially if you value V6 power and don't mind buying an older vehicle. It's not the newest SUV on this list, but if you find a well-maintained 2013 to 2015 Venza at the right price, this overlooked Toyota could be one of the smartest hidden gems in the under $20,000 market. Number 3. Honda CR-V, 2017 to 2020. If your priority is finding a used SUV that simply makes sense for everyday life, the Honda CR-V is one of the easiest choices to recommend. The 2017 to 2020 CR-V combines good fuel economy, a comfortable ride, a spacious interior, and excellent everyday practicality. And that's really what makes the CR-V different. It's not trying to be the fastest SUV here. It's not trying to be the most luxurious. Instead, it focuses on doing the things most SUV buyers actually need, and doing them well. For the 2017 to 2020 model years, the CR-V was offered with a 4-cylinder engine, with the 1.5-liter turbo becoming the main engine for this generation in the US. Most versions were paired with a continuously variable transmission, or CVT. That combination helps the CR-V deliver strong fuel economy while still providing enough power for commuting, family trips, and everyday driving. But where the CR-V really shines is inside the cabin. There's plenty of passenger space, useful storage, and a large cargo area that makes the CR-V especially practical for families. Fold the rear seats down, and you have the kind of flexible cargo space that can make a big difference when you're carrying groceries, luggage, sports equipment, or other bulky items. And because this is a Honda, There's another reason buyers continue to look for these SUVs on the used market: long-term ownership. The 2017, 2019, and 2020 CR-V models have received above-average reliability ratings from Consumer Reports. Although individual condition and maintenance history still matter enormously on a used vehicle, but there's something you shouldn't overlook. Not every CR-V from 2017 to 2020 is going to be trouble-free. Some model years have had recalls and reported trouble spots, so before buying one, check the VIN for open recalls and make sure any recall repairs have been completed. You should also inspect the engine and transmission carefully. Check for warning lights, test the air conditioning and electronics, and look closely at the maintenance records. And remember, a well-maintained 2017 CR-V with higher mileage can be a smarter purchase than a neglected 2020 model with fewer miles. So, who is the CR-V best for? If you want a used SUV that's comfortable, practical, fuel-efficient, easy to live with, and capable of handling everything from daily commuting to family road trips, the 2017 to 2020 Honda CR-V is one of the strongest choices on this list. It may not be the most exciting SUV here, but if you want an SUV that simply works for everyday life, the CR-V is very hard to ignore. Number 2. Mazda CX-5, 2017 to 2020. What if you want a reliable used SUV, but you also want something that actually feels good to drive? That's where the Mazda CX-5 stands out. The 2017 to 2020 Mazda CX-5 offers something that many practical SUVs struggle to deliver: a more engaging driving experience without giving up the practicality of a compact SUV. For the 2017 to 2020 model years, the U.S. market CX-5 was powered by a 2.5-liter Ski-Active-G 4-cylinder engine and paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission. The 2017 model, for example, produced 187 horsepower and was available with either front-wheel drive or all-wheel drive. And that 6-speed automatic is an important part of the CX-5's appeal. Instead of using a CVT like the Honda CR-V, the CX-5 uses a traditional automatic transmission. For many buyers, that gives the CX-5 a more familiar and natural driving feel. But the real difference becomes obvious when you get behind the wheel. The CX-5 has responsive steering, controlled body movement, and a more engaging driving character than many SUVs in this class. It doesn't feel like you're simply driving an appliance designed to get you from point A to point B. And that's exactly why the CX-5 deserves the number 2 spot. Inside, Mazda also gives you an interior that feels more upscale than you might expect from a used SUV in this price range. Higher trims can offer features like leather seating, a power liftgate, and other comfort and convenience upgrades. So you get a combination that's difficult to ignore: a practical SUV, a relatively efficient 4-cylinder engine, a conventional 6-speed automatic, and a driving experience that feels more premium than the price might suggest. But there is an important warning. Don't assume every 2017 to 2020 CX-5 is automatically a perfect reliability choice. Consumer Reports has rated some of these model years around average for reliability, and certain years have had recalls or reported trouble spots. So when you're shopping, condition matters. Check the maintenance records. Look for warning lights. Test the transmission for smooth shifting. Check the infotainment system and backup camera. Inspect the suspension and brakes. And always check the VIN for open recalls before you buy. Also remember, you're not just buying the year and model. You're buying that specific vehicle. A well-maintained 2018 CX-5 with higher mileage can be a much better purchase than a neglected 2020 model with fewer miles. So, who is the CX-5 best for? It's ideal for buyers who want the practicality of a compact SUV, but don't want to give up driving enjoyment just because they're buying used. If you want something comfortable enough for everyday driving, practical enough for a small family, and enjoyable enough for a weekend drive, the 2017 to 2020 Mazda CX-5 is one of the most compelling choices on this list. But there's still one SUV left, and unlike the CX-5, our number 1 choice isn't trying to win you over with a sporty driving experience. It's trying to do something even more important: get almost everything right. And that's why the Toyota RAV4 takes the number 1 spot. Number 1. Toyota RAV4, 2016 to 2019. After looking at 4 very different SUVs, There's one that stands out because it doesn't have to be the best at just one thing. It simply gets almost everything right. The Toyota RAV4. For buyers shopping for a reliable used SUV under $20,000, the 2016 to 2019 RAV4 is one of the strongest all-around choices you can put on your list. And the reason isn't just reliability. It's the combination of reliability, practicality, fuel economy, resale value, and everyday usability. Let's start with the powertrain. The 2016 to 2018 RAV4 uses a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission. For 2016, that engine produced 176 horsepower and 172 pound-feet of torque. You could also get all-wheel drive, giving buyers another option if they regularly deal with snow, rain, or rougher roads. Then came 2019. Toyota completely redesigned the RAV4 for the 2019 model year. The newer generation brought a more rugged design, updated technology, and a new 8-speed automatic transmission paired with the 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine. So even though both 2016 and 2019 are RAV4s, they represent two noticeably different generations. And that's actually useful when you're shopping under $20,000. If you want to spend less and prioritize proven simplicity, a well-maintained 2016 to 2018 RAV4 can be very appealing. If you want the newer design and the newer technology, the 2019 model is worth considering. But there's another reason the RAV4 takes the #1 spot. It's practical. You get a useful amount of passenger space, a versatile cargo area, good visibility, and an easy-to-live-with driving experience. It's the kind of SUV that works for a daily commute during the week, a grocery run on Saturday, and a road trip the next day. And unlike some SUVs that are attractive only because they're cheap, the RAV4 has another advantage when it's time to sell. Its strong reputation helps it maintain demand in the used market. That means you're not just thinking about how much the SUV costs today, you're also thinking about what it may be worth several years from now. But let's be clear, being #1 on this list does not mean every 2016, 2017, 2018, or 2019 RAV4 is a safe purchase. Condition still matters. Before buying one, check the maintenance history. Inspect the suspension and brakes, look for fluid leaks, test the air conditioning and electronics, and make sure the transmission operates smoothly. And most importantly, check the VIN for open recalls and verify that any required recall repairs have been completed. That's especially important because some RAV4 model years in this range have had recalls. So don't buy the badge, buy the vehicle. A neglected 2019 RAV4 can still become an expensive ownership experience. Meanwhile, a properly maintained 2016 or 2017 RAV4 with higher mileage can potentially be the smarter buy, and that's really the biggest lesson from this entire list. The most reliable used SUV isn't necessarily the newest one. It's the one with the right combination of model year, condition, maintenance history, and price. So, who is the Toyota RAV4 best for? Almost anyone looking for a dependable compact SUV. It's a particularly strong choice for commuters, small families, first-time SUV buyers, and anyone who wants a vehicle that's easy to live with and easy to resell. The Mazda CX-5 may be more enjoyable to drive. The Honda CR-V may offer excellent practicality, and the Toyota Venza gives you something different with its available V6. But when you put everything together, reliability, practicality, fuel economy, resale value, and long-term ownership, the 2016 to 2019 Toyota RAV4 offers the most complete package, and that's why it earns the #1 spot as the most reliable used SUV under $20,000. So, which one should you buy? If you want something different and don't mind going a little older, the 2013 to 2015 Toyota Venza is the hidden gem. If practicality, comfort, and everyday usability are your priorities, the 2017 to 2020 Honda CR-V is an excellent choice. If you want a more enjoyable driving experience without giving up SUV practicality, the 2017 to 2020 Mazda CX-5 is hard to ignore. But if you want the best overall combination of reliability, practicality, efficiency, resale value, and long-term ownership, the 2016 to 2019 Toyota RAV4 is our top choice. But there's one final thing you should remember. Buying a reliable SUV doesn't mean buying any vehicle with the right badge on the hood. A reliable model can still be a bad purchase if it has been poorly maintained, has accident damage, or has a history of neglected repairs. Before you buy, check the vehicle history, verify the VIN for open recalls, inspect the vehicle carefully, take it for a proper test drive, and whenever possible, have an independent mechanic inspect it before you hand over your money. Because the best used SUV isn't simply the one with the best reputation. It's the one that has been properly maintained, fits your needs, and makes sense for your budget. And that's how you turn a $20,000 used SUV budget into a smart purchase instead of an expensive mistake. If this guide helped you, make sure to subscribe to Used Car Guide for more practical advice on buying reliable used cars.